Okay, para sa assignment natin for this week, ipapakita ko ulit step by step kung papaano gawin yung ating image retouching exercise. So, remember, this is only an exercise, hindi pa ito yung project natin. I just want you to practice yung mga ibang Photoshop tools. Okay, so originally, ito yung image natin. And gagawin natin siyang, it should turn out to be this. Okay? Wait, ba't hindi ko nakikita yung V-name? There. So, okay. Pakita ko lang muna yung before and after. So, before, yan siya. And after our retouching, yan dapat ang magiging itsura. Okay? Now, I will start from the beginning. Bubuksan ko yung Photoshop from the start. Okay. Natin i-save yan. Kailangan. Okay. So, dun sa sinend ko sa inyo na image, all you have to do is to download that image and let's say nandyan siya sa desktop ninyo, then open that image using your Photoshop. There. And let's wait. Okay, so once that is loaded, pag na-load na yung ating image, let's duplicate the image. Okay, kaya yung sabi ko, importante na dapat meron tayong duplicated image and that we are not editing our original photo. So, I'm gonna name it edited image. Okay. And I can hide this one para hindi ako malilito later on. So now I'm gonna edit this. Oh, wait, this is wrong. Nick. Wrong, mali. I loaded the wrong one. Okay. Actually, that was a done. Ito pala siya. Okay. So I'm gonna open this using Photoshop. There. So this is our image. Okay. And I'm gonna duplicate this by right-clicking and then duplicate layer. And then I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna name it as edited image. Like I said, hindi dapat natin i-edit ang ating original image. Okay, so now I can hide my original image and I can go on, proceed on editing my duplicated image. Now, so gagamitin natin this time to remove all the blemishes, black spots, and pimples by using the healing tool. So the spot healing brush tool is an effective tool to use for removing spots. But like I said, the size of the brush should be relative to the size of the spot you're trying to erase. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna resize my brush, or you can actually use the square bracket to downsize the brush and to make it bigger, just the right square brace. Okay, there. Spot. Okay. So, tanggalin nyo lang lahat ng kaya ninyong tanggalin at gusto ninyong tanggalin hanggang sa magmukha siyang fair. Like, nasa sa inyo, sa judgment ninyo, para hindi masyadong magmukhang fake, right? So there, that's how you use the healing spot tool.